Hi everyone, here we'll show how you can use GNUPlot for plotting data stored in a file. So first of all, open your terminal and go to the directory where you want to create your file. I am changing my directory to desktop, and here I will create a text file. So created a text file with a name, with any name. I am using data.txt. Now open this text file. Here we have to put all the values. So here we have to create two columns. First column is for x-axis and second column is for y-axis. So first of all, put x values here, then after a space or after a tab, put the y values, that is the corresponding y values. Okay, and this first column will give us all the x values, and this second column will give us all the corresponding y values. Okay, so start it. First x value is 2 and corresponding y value is 7. Then x is 3, y is 9, again 5, and that is 13, again x is 7, y is 19, and then x is 9 and y is 25. Okay, now we have the data set and we have to plot it. Okay, don't forget to save the file, save it, and go to the terminal again. There is a terminal of GNUPlot, so we have to call GNUPlot here. Now we have to plot this data.txt file. Okay, so for this just type plot space name of the file in inverted comma, so that is data.txt inside inverted comma. Okay, and enter. Thus we get the data points in a plot. Now if you want to connect these points, just go to the terminal again and type plot data.txt with lines. Okay, with lines, and enter. Thus we get the points connected with lines. Thus we get our desired plot for the text file. Using this method we can plot any 2D plot. Okay, just we need a file with two columns. One is for x values and another is for the corresponding y values. Okay, so thank you for watching.